Killing her 6-year-old son and escaping to India for 2 years is now in the Tarrant County Jail.
Cindy Rodriguez Singh is charged with capital murder, other charges as well. Fox 4's Dion Anglin joining us now live with more. Dion.
Monster mom here. Cindy Singh, age 40, arrested July 1st, 2025 in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, after being in the country of India for 2 years. Accused of killing her 6-year-old son in 2022. God bless the family and friends. Stop domestic violence.
Killing her 6-year-old son and escaping to India for 2 years is now in the Tarrant County Jail.
Cindy Rodriguez Singh is charged with capital murder, other charges as well. Fox 4's Dion Anglin joining us now live with more. Dion.
Hi there. We understand that she is booked in the Tarrant County Jail under the name Cindy Rodriguez. And just in the past 5 minutes, the chief of police for Everman just walked by us here on the sidewalk. We had a very brief moment to ask him if he had a chance to talk with her yet, if his investigators have had a chance to talk with her. The chief told us no, he is not. They have not. And they were here and spent most of the day in the district attorney's office. Captured. Capital murder suspect Cindy Rodriguez Singh, now back in Tarrant County.
Priority 2 is make a determination of whether or not you can figure out where the child's body is at.
Attorney Russell Wilson is not involved in the case. However, he offers a glimpse at what we could see following the extradition as well as the state's prosecution. The 40-year-old Everman mother is accused of killing her 6-year-old son, Noel Rodriguez Alvarez, whose body has never been found. The federal charge? In 2023, Rodriguez Singh fled the country with her husband and 6 other children. Unlawful flight to avoid prosecution. But that charge now will most definitely take a back seat.
The most serious charge would be the state capital murder case.
On Wednesday, the FBI announced their top 10 fugitive was in custody at an undisclosed location in the U.S. after being captured in India.
Prosecutors may be evaluating the case, since it is a capital murder, to determine whether or not they would want to seek the death penalty. So you either have life in prison automatically as a punishment for a capital murder conviction, or in some cases in Texas, you can be face the death penalty. So I think those analysis will all be running kind of at the same time.
Wilson says it's possible Rodriguez Singh has already been appointed an attorney, and the process of getting her back to Tarrant County was swift.
I think initially there's going to be a much closer evaluation of the facts and circumstances surrounding the child's death. So remember, for capital murder, you have to show very specific things, not just a death, but you have to show a mental state that accompanies that intends to cause or create the death. And so depending on what that evidence is, I think will kind of depend on the direction of the case.
6-year-old Noel had a history of health and developmental issues and was last seen in October 2022. The whereabouts of Rodriguez Singh's husband are unclear, as are questions about whether he too will face charges.
It's fair to think that these folks likely stayed together and were perhaps found together in India, given the ages of the other children. And that may be a question as well, the health of the other children in the family and things like that. It would depend on what charge was brought against him, if any, and the circumstances, but it would appear that he was not taken into custody. But, you know, that's just based off the information we have.
Now, the next step in the process would be Cindy Rodriguez Singh making a first appearance before a judge here. And just once again, Chief Al Brooks, Everman Police Chief Al Brooks just walked past us here. He told us very briefly they have not had a chance to talk with Cindy Rodriguez Singh, that they have been here spending most of the day in the district attorney's office. That's the very latest live. Back to you all.
All right, Fort Worth. Deon England. Thank you, Deon.
Crucial reminder here, help is available. If you or anyone you know is a victim of domestic violence, you can call the phone number there on your screen or simply text the word START to 88788.
Thanks for watching. We appreciate you. Please subscribe.